Hey guys, in this video, you're going to learn how to email market. This is like a quick crash course on email marketing, but made more simple. Even in today's limited attention climate, email still yields good results that you can control because, as you guys have heard, you cannot control these social media platforms or any other platform that you don't own. So the main three things that you'll need to pull this off properly, in my experience, is number one, a lead magnet. Two, you need to have a landing page or something where they can sign up for this free lead magnet. And then three, an email service provider that's going to help you deliver some automated emails. And there are several different services that you can use to create these. I'm going to give you the easiest ones I use as examples in this tutorial. The simple process is that you want to find a pain point. You want to create a lead magnet, such as a guide, a worksheet, a PDF, something like that. And you want to offer it to them via email. And then you want to send them a few emails on how you can help solve their problem on a deeper level. This is going to eventually lead them to your course or your product. But you have to create this and then work the plan and adjust as you work the plan. Don't give up on the marketing of it just because you launch it and it doesn't work. You have to consistently adjust and figure out what works. And then once you perfect that, you can continue with this process. So that's it. You need a lead magnet, something to entice them, a landing page or an opt-in so you can get their email, and an email service provider so you can deliver emails to them along with that lead magnet. And then now you have a potential audience that you could sell things to if you don't have products or a course or something. So step one is to create a lead magnet. I use Canva. It's super easy. I love that thing. It has a lot of great designs. And if you want to go on a deeper level, you can hit up the good folks over at Fiverr for as little as $5. Those mock-ups that you see on the screen, I use them to make those at Fiverr, those ebook covers. The one key is that it's got to be something that they want. And I talked about that in the last video about how to get people to buy your stuff. I'll link that somewhere on the top, or I'll have it in the description. People don't care what you sell, and they don't care about signing up for your email list. You might have heard me say this in the last couple of videos. They care that the thing that they're signing up for solves a problem that they have, or it helps them out with something that they've been having an issue with. But the simple way you can do this is just deliver what you promise. So you need content that they'll love. You need to know how to create an offer and how to frame the offer. I have a whole video where I cover that in detail. I'll link to that also. Step two is to create a landing page, and you can use any one of the many tools that's around now to create a landing page, but I like all-in-one tools. So my personal favorite is Thrive Themes. But there are others you can use like ClickFunnels or Kajabi. There's a bunch of them out there. The price on some of these are a little bit hefty if you don't yet have a product to sell to offset the cost of that. But on this page, you got to remember, when you create the landing page, only one call to action, and that is give me your email address. And then you get this thing that I promised you that's going to help you solve whatever problem that you're having. Not visit my website, not read this article, now watch this video. One call to action, which is collecting their email address. Now, MailChimp actually lets you set up the simple landing pages also, and it works seamlessly with your email marketing, like the automated emails you're going to send and the lead magnet. So I like MailChimp for that reason. And for the first 2,000 subscribers, it's free. So you can really like test and run some marketing campaigns to see how it works for you. For step three, you're going to need an email service provider. There are many of them. With technology today, you can get started for really quickly, really easily, but sometimes it's hard to choose. You can choose whichever one that you like. It's all about preference. They all do the same thing, but they have different prices. Again, I like MailChimp. It's free to get started. Here are a couple of options that's on the screen. Now, here's the meat and potatoes of the entire process. Step three is to choose your email service provider. So you want to select an email service provider, and you're going to write some pre-written emails that get sent out whenever someone signs up for that lead magnet that you created in step one. If you are having a hard decision deciding on which one of these to choose, I have a video that covers all of them, all of the ESPs, and it breaks down which one might be the best for you depending on where you are at in your business. That video is either going to be on up top or in the description. That the email marketing part of that video starts at 2 minutes and 41 seconds. You can click that to watch that one. Now, I used to use this model that you see on the screen once they signed up to get that lead magnet. But I think with today's limited attention and people, scrolling, and you're fighting for attention and all these other things, you have to get to the point quickly. So once they sign up, They immediately get an email with the link to their download, and then I give them a few pointers on how to use their download. In each of these emails, I might link to a relevant topic or video of some content that I already have. If you're just starting out and you don't have content, you need to be putting content out on one platform about the thing that you teach. And I would get straight to the point because, again, attention spans are short. So maybe 2 emails after they get that initial lead magnet to help them solve their issue, and then like 2 more emails to give them an opportunity to go deeper in your course. So those will be like sales emails, and you'll be telling them, hey, you can go deeper with me. This is what the course covers. Here's the link. Check it out. Now, the big thing about all of this is about taking action. So after this video, I want you to do these 3 steps. They're easy. And if you get stuck, I have linked to videos that will help you. Now, after you set this up, it's going to be an automated process, and the goal is a numbers game. Everybody won't like the stuff that you create. Everybody won't like the lead magnet, but the ones who need it will sign up. So send traffic to that landing page and see who signs up, see who buys, and then you adjust it and run it again if you're doing ads or something like that. My recommendation, again, is to start with MailChimp. It's easy to start up. You can create landing pages, and it collects emails, and it sends those emails seamlessly, automatically. So to implement these steps, this is a basic funnel. These are your action steps. Use Canva, create a lead magnet. It doesn't have to be anything, long, or like it can be an ebook, and I have a video on how to make one of those in like 10 minutes. I'll link to that video too. But use Canva, create a lead magnet, select an email service provider. Doesn't matter which one. Choose the one that you think is most easiest. Create a landing page and write an email response for that lead magnet. It could be a couple emails. I wouldn't take it more than, say, 4 emails, because people lose interest after a while because their attention goes everywhere else. Launch this and test to see how many people sign up for it and how many people buy your course. If you don't have a course, then right now we're just building up an email list, something that you own. Blast the link out to your social media, or if you already have an email list, to see who is interested. After this, if not a lot of people sign up, it might not be a good lead magnet, or you may not have the best copy on your landing page. Now, if that is the case, specific details on how to do this are inside my course, Biz from Scratch. And this stuff that I'm teaching in this tutorial is from lesson 3 in the first module of that course. It truly is online business simplified. I'll leave a link in the description so that you can go enroll and you can see what lessons we cover in that course. Here's just a few more tips on email marketing. Keep this as simple as possible and get straight to the point. People want the solution to their problem. In this video, I did not have a long intro. I told you what you're going to learn, and I got straight into the tutorial. And so you have to provide value before people will care about what you're selling or what you're doing, before they'll give you their email address. And you need about 7 touch points. So that's why you need to have content that they'll watch or consume before they get to that sign up. They might just like, if it's good enough, they might just like it to sign up. But again, get to the point, keep it solution based. Step-by-step systems work well. Answer every single question or comment that you get on videos if you're first starting out, and, create a lead magnet that they want. Now, I touched on a few of these things this video, but there's a masterclass that I created that really helps you take it to the next level if you're not seeing the type of progress that you have wanted, or you're not seeing the type of success that you wanted. So there's a free masterclass that's going to teach you how to build your online business simple and easy in 3 steps. You can sign up for that at bit.ly/yoursuccessclass. And again, it covers in detail 3 secrets that's going to help you jumpstart your online efforts this year. And you can take it free over at bit.ly/yoursuccessclass. You can sign up free. The link is in the description. And when you sign up, you get a free workbook that's going to help you to follow along with that class, give you step actions, like actionable things that you can do. It's not hard stuff. And it doesn't take that long. This class is only like, I think, 25 or 30 minutes or something like that. So don't forget to sign up for that free training. The link is in the description. I really hope that this video has brought you some value, and I really hope that it helps you to get to the next step in your online business. Peace, blessings, and prosperity to you. I will see you in the next video.